What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we still got that deep purple iPhone 14 Pro on deck, guys, and we still on the journey to find some of the dopest purple cases. And I came across this case on the Humble. Shout out to a company called Benks, guys. They sent me out their magnetic case. It's like a translucent purple case for the iPhone 14 Pro. I'm finding it very dope. It's looking like it's gonna be a banger, and this thing is under $20, guys. I got a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, $17.99. So definitely, if you like this case, drop a like on the video. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. But let's just get into it. Full cover protection, precise hold position, tough and anti-drop. Let's get it out like so and take a look at it. Now, I wasn't too sure exactly what color this case was, so I looked at the packaging. It's got a dark tint to it, where it's kind of almost just look like it's black translucent, but it's definitely got some purple to it. The MAGsafe ring is black though. Now, when you get it all the way out the packaging, you can definitely see that purple tint. As you can see, we covered up around the camera section, big camera protection right here with the Benks branding. And this is a nice soft touch case, guys. It's like a polycarbonate, but this material is matte, really soft touch, and it's not picking up no fingerprints. I like that. We got the black MagSafe ring, so you ready with all your MagSafe accessories, chargers, wireless, things of that nature. And the button press is matched, and you got some black plastic buttons that match. We got a black power button going on, and we got the mag clap ring specifically for Benks. So we're gonna see how strong this is, but definitely a nice case, guys, offering you a good look. Nice purple case, matte finish, nice purple finish, no fingerprints, and you're getting your MagSafe all for under 20 bucks. I'm thinking this is a go. It looks really good. I think it's gonna look really dope on the purple iPhone 14 Pro. Let's check it out. So here we go, guys. This Benks case on this iPhone 14 Pro, I must say, looks really good. Getting MagSafe, got your nice big cutouts. You got your black buttons, and I like when the company puts individual buttons instead of the button that's welded to the case, because you get a hard button press. Either put the slits in the button or make individual buttons, and it's a really easy button press like that. But as you can see, we are nice and bolstered up around the cameras. You definitely want some protection for these big lenses that protrude off the back of this iPhone 14 Pro. The matte finish looks really good with the deep purple iPhone 14 Pro, and it's not leaving a lot of fingerprints and things of that nature. And we also got some Benks branding right here. Now I got a little purple MagSafe while let's see how it sticks on here, see how it feels. Okay, it's on there really good, guys. Nice strong magnet on this Benks case. I feel like this is a lot of case for under $20, guys. So it'll definitely be a link down in the description. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your man BG Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.